Years ago, Josam Company was responsible for introducing the first push-fit stainless steel drainage system into the U.S. market. Today, Josam's second-generation push-fit system includes a heavier gauge with higher test ratings and no special cutting tools. The emergence of Josam's push-fit system has enabled installers to obtain all the benefits of stainless steel while reducing overall installation costs. Josam's complete range of push-fit pipes are available in Type 316L austenitic stainless steel. The push-fit drainage system weighs less than traditional products, making it easier to handle. The inherent strength properties of stainless steel make Josam's push-fit system not only lighter, but a stronger and more durable system with a long life expectancy. The push-fit system can be installed both above and underground. The 316L push-fit pipe system is plenum rated and suitable for direct burial installations and can be used in hot soil applications. Depending on soil conditions, an additional corrosion protection may be required and should be determined by the installer. The push-fit pipe and fittings are available in 1.5 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch, 6 inch, and 8 inch nominal pipe sizes. And the pipes are available in 8 different lengths, ranging from 0.8 feet to 9.8 feet, allowing for minimal field cuts and waste. Transition couplings are available to transition from push-fit to various other types of pipe. Josam's push-fit pipes and fittings create a joint that's suitable for use in typical gravity drainage, waste, and vent systems. The maximum pressure capacities are based on testing in a lab environment, with pipes rigidly fixed. Test pressures illustrate the quality of the gasket material and system design. Josam's push-fit pipes can be cut to desired length by various means, using your own manual or electric cutting tools. The pipes should be cut square, and the exterior surface must be free of burrs prior to making a joint. 2 push-fit gaskets are available, EPDM, with a max temperature range of 248 degrees Fahrenheit, and FPM, with max temperature range of 572 degrees Fahrenheit. FPM gaskets are resistant to various chemicals and suitable for more adverse flows. The shape of the gasket is specifically designed to fit the socket for an engineered watertight joint. When a pipe is inserted into the socket, the gasket is compressed between the socket and outer pipe surface to create a positive seal. This is where the labor-saving push-fit design comes into play. The push-fit joining method allows joints to be made in a matter of seconds and does not require any tools. The push-fit joint is accomplished by lubricating the joint and pushing the spigot and socket together. Insert the spigot into the socket with a slight turning motion. Push the pipe completely into the socket. The edge of the seal gasket can be seen after assembly, making it easy to ensure there is a seal at each joint. The result of this quick and easy joining method is a tight seal that has been tested and proven suitable for gravity drainage applications. The push-fit pipe system should be supported when hung. We recommend using Josam's hangers for properly supporting the system. Josam hangers or similar split ring hangers should be used to limit or prevent axial movement. Alternative hangers must be stainless steel or lined with rubber or non-metallic material to protect against galvanic corrosion. Do not use dissimilar metals. Secure pipe penetrations to prevent vertical movement. Brace end-of-pipe runs and changes in direction to prevent the pipes from pushing apart. Although a clamp is not required at every joint, joint locking clamps and sway braces are available and should be utilized as necessary. Sway braces should be used for limiting movement of the fixed pipes at intervals of 30 to 50 feet and changes in direction and end of lines as necessary to prevent pipes from pushing apart. The rods and hanger spacing must be sufficient to support the weight of the pipes filled with water. The push-fit system is lighter in weight, making the product easier to handle and requiring less manpower during installations. The labor-saving benefits and the greater life expectancy of the push-fit pipe and fitting system makes this product an economical solution for most drainage applications. Josam's push-fit drainage system is both UPC and IPC listed and is approved by many local municipalities. It can be used in various applications such as stadiums, airports, hotels, food, beverage, healthcare, and pharmaceutical industries. In particular, installations that require hygienic and sustainable characteristics. For more information on Josam Company's labor-saving push-fit stainless steel pipe and fitting drainage system, visit josam.com.